Here's a secret to reduced trailer tire wear. Keep your van suspensions aligned. It seems so simple, so why don't more fleets check and adjust alignment more often? Well, maybe it's because they think it's hard to do. They think it takes too much time, or it costs money for replacement parts. The Reyco Dockmaster 400 eliminates both those reasons with our patented Ray-Align system. It's easy. Alignment can be done with typical labor and in standard time. And it's inexpensive. No replacement parts or special tools are needed. With a positive alignment system, your technicians are guaranteed a 1-for-1 ratio between adjustment and tracking, compared to an eccentric alignment system. With the Ray-Align system, just a few simple turns of a wrench moves the axle pivot bolt forwards or backwards and holds it there while alignment is checked. Let's examine some typical alignment methods. Basic trailer alignment can be performed with the simplest of tools. For example, you can use a so-called pogo stick attached to the kingpin of the trailer, which is then leveled and plumbed. Then take an ordinary tape measure and compare the measurements from the pogo stick at the kingpin to the front edge of each wheel on the front axle of the trailer. If you want to use something a little more high-tech, bazooka-style laser tools can be temporarily installed on each side of the front axle. The lasers point at graduated indicator boards, which are attached to the kingpin. The axle is adjusted by turning the Ray-Align bolt until the two laser dots point to matching alignment numbers on the indicator boards. The Ray-Align bolt can be turned with an air impact wrench, while the laser dots are observed by the technician. Or a simple hand wrench can do the same job. Once again, each turn of the wrench creates a positive movement, forwards or backwards, and holds the alignment until the pivot bolt is retorqued. Once the front axle is in alignment, the rear axle is aligned to the front axle. The more high-tech method uses an adjustable Tremel bar. The bar has points which are placed on the center of the front and rear hubcaps on one side of the trailer, and then that measurement is compared to the same dimension on the other side. Once again, the Ray-Align adjustment bolt is turned until the two measurements are equal. Back to our low-tech alignment method, the technician marks each tire at the same distance from the floor, and then strings his tape measure from the front axle to the rear axle on each side and adjust until the measurements are equal. Once both axles are in alignment, the pivot bolts are retorqued to 425 foot-pounds, and the adjustment bolts are snugged clockwise to help maintain alignment. So with a trailer air ride alignment that is so simple, positive, and low cost, there's really no reason not to make alignment a regular part of your preventive maintenance program. And that will translate into increased tire life and lower operating costs for your fleet. It's just one more reason to make the Reyco Granning Dockmaster 400 the choice on your next van trailer order.